Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. Today we have a very useful video. If the text and icons on your Windows 11 screen are looking blurry, stretched, or heavily pixelated, it can cause a lot of eye strain. I will show you exactly how to adjust your scale and display resolution settings to make your screen look perfectly crisp and clear again. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu located on your Windows taskbar. Go up to the search bar, type in Settings, and hit Enter to open your system preferences. Make sure you are in the System section on the left, and then click on Display. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Scale, which controls the size of your text and apps. Click the drop-down menu next to Scale and make sure it is set to 100% to prevent Windows from artificially zooming and distorting your screen. If you still want your text to be a bit bigger without making it blurry, use the search bar within Settings to find the Text Size menu. Here you can use the slider to adjust just the size of the font to exactly what you need. Once you find a comfortable size, make sure to click the Apply button. Adjusting just the text size instead of the entire system scale is the best way to make things easier to read without causing your apps and icons to become pixelated. Now, navigate back to the main display menu and scroll down until you see Display Resolution. Click the drop-down menu and select the resolution that has the word Recommended right next to it. Choosing the Recommended option ensures that Windows is outputting the exact number of pixels that your specific monitor was built to display, which eliminates any remaining blurriness. Once you finish changing these settings, simply restart your PC to lock everything in completely. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.